Hi, friends! Welcome to Growing Sprouts with Knowledge. Let's learn and have fun together. Whee! I just finished racing my car all around the track. But look, my car is so dusty now. Time to get my car nice and clean. Let's drive into the big wash machine.
Welcome. Please put your car in neutral and let the machine take care.
Okay, here we go. Whoa, my car is moving all by itself. This conveyor belt is so cool.
Sit back and enjoy the ride, boy.
Soap time! Get ready for lots of bubbles. I can't see outside anymore. Bubbles everywhere. Ooh.
Big rollers scrubbing now.
Every corner getting nice. That tickles. Get all the mud off my wheels, too. Rinse time. Big splash coming. Splish splash. The water is washing all the bubbles away. My car looks shiny already.
Now for the big dry. Here comes the wind.
Whoosh! My hair is blowing everywhere. But look, my car is sparkling clean.
All done, boy. Your car is squeaky clean and ready to go.
Yay! Thank you, wash machine. My car looks brand new. Time to zoom back to the track. Bye-bye, friends. Remember, keeping your things clean is always fun. See you next time. Vroom! Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Bye-bye. See you next time.